This course is designed to teach you how to grade and value cut and polished diamonds. You will learn about blood diamonds, the Kimberley process, and generally how the industry works. The online part of the course, you will learn the theory and methods used to grade color and clarity. By the end of the course, you'll be able to grade color and clarity within a grade. You will learn how the cut and weight can affect the price considerably. Imitations and synthetics are also covered in this course. You will learn how fluorescence can affect the price and so much more. We cover everything you will need to know to start buying and selling diamonds, including second-hand diamonds. A requirement of this course is that you do a one-day practical workshop at our lab. If you wish to enroll in this course, please go to our website www.gemlab.co.za and click on the drop-down which takes you to the online courses. This is a comprehensive course that will open many doors for you. We are offering this course for only 4,000 Rand until the end of March, which includes the one-day practical. From the 1st of April, the price will increase to 7,500 Rand. Sign up now and start on the road to an exciting and rewarding career.